My name is Jacob Wright, and this is my Capstone project for ECPI University. We're going to look over here and see that my program is loaded and running. Alright, when we come over we notice, and this is a simple home alarm system. I've got a normally closed sensor contact right there. And I've also got one on the window. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down. We see that the alarm is in set mode. So right now the alarm is set. I'm going to go. I'm going to open up the door. The countdown has started. The LED display over here, and it's asking for an alarm code. I'm going to punch in the code 5. And it says code is correct. Alarm resetting. And I forget to shut the door. I'm going to hit 5 again. And it's resetting. Now, I'm going to hit the window contact. The alarm is going off. This time we're going to let it run out without entering a code. And now the siren is sounding. Alright, we're going to close that window. I'm going to hit my reset here. Now we're back in set mode. What I used was those two normally closed sensors. Also I have two 4.7 k ohm resistors. Of course the breadboard and the Fox 11 trainer, and then the microchip, and then the keypad. Again, my name is Jacob Wright, and this is my simple home alarm system capstone project.